welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I thought I would get on here and give y'all a little update about my mama. She is doing amazing, y'all. I talked to her for about an hour this morning, checking on her, and she's doing wonderful. And I told her about all of y'all, you know, praying for her, asking about her, sending her well wishes. And she said, Donna, please let them know their prayers are working. God is good, and she is able to get up and get around, you know, as good as to be expected. And she's doing great, y'all. Minimal pain, and she's doing wonderful. And today my aunt is going to see her and help her do some stuff around. And I told her, I said, I'll come up there tomorrow. She's like, you will not. She said, you stay there. She said, I will call you when I need you to come up here and do something for me. She said, but I'd already planned all this out. Oops, sorry about that, bad bump. She said, I'd already planned this out. I already had everything set up. And she's like, I'll call you when I need you. And I was like, well, you better, because if I find out you needed me or needed something and you didn't call me, I'm gonna be upset. But anyway, she's doing wonderful. And y'all, I have no doubt it is because of all the prayers that are going up for her. And thank y'all so much for your love and concern for her and just my family in general. Y'all are amazing. So today I tried to sleep in, but Buster wouldn't let me. I swear he's just like having a kid. But now he's at home asleep, him and James. I'm going to run to the thrift store. Y'all, it's just, that's my stress relief. And quite honestly, right now, I need a little bit of stress relief. Yesterday was a very long day, and a lot of emotions all over the place. Not just my mama's surgery, but just life, you know, just life. And so I got home last night and just chilled out, relaxed, spent time with James and Buster, and then I went to bed and passed out. And then this morning I woke up and just kind of took things slow, and now I'm gonna go to my happy place, which is the thrift store. I cannot wait to just get in there and just, it's like when you walk in, some people when they walk into certain stores like Kirkland's or something, and that smell hits them and they're just like, oh, well, that's how when I walk in a thrift store, I'm like, oh, I'm home. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. If it's where I can, I will pull out the camera and try to film some in there. It has just been really busy and crowded here lately, and I've not been able to do a lot of filming inside the store. But if something happens that I find some good things, I will definitely bring it home and share with y'all that. And later on this afternoon, we're kind of keeping a close eye on the weather, because we really want to get that beautiful shelf of Sarah's painted. And we think today is going to be the day. I don't know. We're just kind of like, it's dependent on the weather. And now, right now, it's not looking real good. But James has been watching it. So hopefully this weekend, if not today, maybe tomorrow or Sunday, we can get it painted. I really want her to have that. She's excited about it. It's going to be beautiful in her home. And so, I mean, but they understand. They know. I mean, it's not like we can paint in the rain. Anyway, that's our plans for today. Other than that, I don't really know what's going to be going on, but hopefully I will have a nice little thrift haul. All right, y'all, I have jabbered long enough. Let me get to the thrift store and see what I can find, and I will catch up with y'all shortly. Well, that was a successful trip. I will show y'all what I got when I got home, but the best thing I found in there, I ran into my sister-in-law and my niece and my great niece. So we had like a mini family reunion and got to get some sugars and loving from the great niece, and that was so much fun. Anyway, so now I am headed, I'm gonna stop by the Goodwill, and then I'm gonna head home. All right, y'all, I've got everything unbagged, ready to share with you what I picked up, my plans behind it, and once I get it all styled, I will show you where I've put it, if it's something that I'm gonna style. So first things first, I picked up this cute little box. I loved like just how country it looked. It's wooden, and when I picked it up, it was heavy. And so I opened it up, and look, plates have never been opened. So I got a twofer. So I'm gonna pull these out and use these for Christmas, and then I'm gonna display my little box above my cabinets with another item in this haul. And this, I only paid $2.99 for this. And how cute is that? I love it so much. So I got that. Then I picked up this. I know, another tree. But I have a spot over my cabinet that I was wanting another tree. I didn't feel like driving all the way to Hobby Lobby, but I would have. But this one was actually, I paid $2.99 for it. It does have lights. It has a timer. I don't know if it works, but I'm gonna try that. I mean, I couldn't have got it that cheap at Hobby Lobby. So all it needs is just fluffing out, and I'm gonna put this above my cabinet by my wooden dough bowl with that little wooden cheese box. And that's where this is going to go. So got that. Then I picked up this. This is like my second or third one of these baskets to find at the thrift store. Here comes Buster. Anyway, I paid $2.99 for this. It's a wire basket, and it's like that plastic. It looks like, what is it? Straw, whatever. It's plastic. Anyway, I got this because I've been looking for something like this to go under our bathroom cabinet so I can put all of James and my medications. So I picked that up. And then the next three items I picked up, I just love. But the first thing is this Thomas Kincaid lamb that I love. I'm gonna try to get the sticker off the front and display it like this in this room actually, but if I can't, the book itself is beautiful. Let me show you. I mean, it's a beautiful red book, but the pictures inside, I mean, look at that. They are just simply gorgeous. I just love it. So I picked that up for this room that I'm in. I love Thomas Kincaid, but I don't really have anything of his. So I picked that up for this room. And then the next two items I picked up are from my mother-in-law. She is an awesome quilter. I mean, she made this quilt right here. She just makes the most beautiful quilts. She loves them. And so I found two books on quilts. This is the Great American Quilts 1990 and then 1992. And they have beautiful pictures and like stories behind the quilts. And then in the back, I want to say they even have like patterns. Yeah, they even have like patterns and stuff. So I picked these up for her. I think she will enjoy sitting and looking at them, and I just thought they were really, really nice, and I thought of her, so I thought I picked them up for her. So that is my little thrift haul. I don't remember how much the books were. Hold on. The books were $2 each. So for $6 is what I paid for these books. So that is my little thrift haul. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to put my little batteries in here, see if the lights work, fluff my little tree up, and then fix that over my cabinet, and I'll show you how that looks. So let me go do that real quick, and I'll be right back. So far, that's what it looks like. I'll show y'all tonight once I turn the lights on. They did work, and they have a timer, so that is a win-win. $2.99 with lights that have a timer. And then there's the little box, which is perfect. And then I have the little paper plates up in the cabinet. Guess what time it is? Got old paint clothes on. Fixing to go paint the cabinet. Y'all, my house is a disaster. My bed's not been made for 2 days now. My living room's a mess. My kitchen's a mess. This stresses me out, but I'm trying to just go with the flow. And we've been needing to paint this cabinet, so I'm going to go out there and going to help James. We're going to get this cabinet painted. where the kids can get it and enjoy it, and she can decorate it for the beautiful holiday. And let me take you out there and show you what he's done to the cabinet. This is the cabinet that we are going to be making over or fixing up for Sarah. Is it not beautiful and ginormous? And from this distance, it doesn't look like it has all the problems that it has. Huh, James? We're gonna add another shelf like right here, another shelf. And then we're thinking about taking off the trim up there. And then,
I think I'm gonna repair that.
you gonna repair it? Never mind, James says he's gonna repair it. But that is the cabinet, and it is massive, y'all. Let me go around and give you the side view. This is the cabinet, and y'all, it is solid. They don't make them like this no more. But he's gonna, well, he said he's probably gonna repair the trim, but it's in really bad shape. This come out of an old house in Gulf Shores, she was told, and set in a shed for a while, and then it got moved from the shed to a front porch, and it just needs some TLC, but when we get done with it, it's going to be beautiful. This is the cabinet, and he added the shelf she wanted. He fixed all those spots that were gaps and messed up. He replaced all of the trim around the top, and he put her a hole there and on the shelf, because she requested that. So we had a screw not want to come out the hinge. So James, being the master he is, figured a way around it. Buster, what you doing? What you doing looking all handsome in your Christmas collar?
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Lunch break. I'm gonna feed my crew. We're gonna go grab some lunch or dinner or whatever you want to call it. It's past lunchtime. It's before dinner. So I had to change my shirt because I had wet paint all over it. You know, So I'm gonna go feed my crew. Y'all, this has been a project. We have dealt with runs. I guess the weather, there's a little more humidity in the air than what we really needed and was used to with this paint. But we used the Valspar cabinet and furniture paint, oil enriched enamel, and we had it mixed in tricorn black by Sherwin-Williams. And this has been a project. It's beautiful though. It took just about that whole gallon for this cabinet, so this is going to be closed up. You're not going to see it, so we didn't really focus and use too much of the paint on the inside because we made sure everything that was going to be seen was good and covered. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And then here are the doors, and they're drying really well. So there you go. This ain't the best lighting, but so we got the cabinet moved into the garage. It still needs to dry. I knew we were probably not going to be able to poly tonight. So hopefully tomorrow we can put the polyurethane on it. The poly won't be long. It won't take it long to dry because it's a quick dry. And it really is quick drying. So that's a wrap on that for tonight. Had to run up here to the store. James needed to get something from Walmart. Then we're going to get home. We're going to make a grocery order for tomorrow's pickup and pick it up tomorrow. And he's going to make lasagna. Oh, I can't wait, y'all. It's been so long since he's made lasagna, and he's in the mood, and I'm in the mood for him to make it. And I'm going to film it if he does it. If it works out and we have the time tomorrow for him to make it. Whenever he decides to make it, I'm definitely going to film it because he makes really good lasagna and we love it. So just got off the phone with my mama. She's doing amazing, y'all. She is just doing so good. Thank God. And that's it. I'm going to call it a wrap today. I love y'all, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all. You want to say bye to everybody? You want to say bye to everybody? No, over here. Look right here. Say bye, everybody. So we see you tomorrow. He's on guard right now.